Mubango wa gwaka iharo iria ikahuthika riri bururi wa Kenya ukaharia mathako ma Africa Home National Championship mwaka ukite wa 2018 ni hindi urathi na mbere. Waki ucio ugithi na mbere nakio kiama gia CAF no kirathi na mbere guthurima ikiro cia iharo ici. Muthenya wa umuthe uma kiharo gia Kinoru mwena wa Meru kuria magathire wirutiri wa thirikari ya county ya Meru.
The facilities on the ground. This stadium is supposed to have 4 changing rooms for teams. It has. It is supposed to have 2 changing rooms for officials. It has. It is supposed to have VIP lounges. It has. It is supposed to have press conference rooms, media rooms. It has.
Ona gukiruguo kiama kiu ni kiendekithĩtie gucenjio kwa maundu mamwe kiharo-ini kiu kuria minister wa mathako county no eranire ni magukorwo magithurimwo.
Where there's a concern is the space on the perimeters of the stadium, especially like where the administration police camp is. We advise that is stadium land.
And we can only await for a report from the team to do any amendments that are recommended. But so far so good. Meru is the home of sports. So we look forward to hosting CHAN 2018.
Bururi wa Kenya kugerera kiama kia mubira wa maguru ku bururi-ini FKF niguo uratabania mihango ya mithako yo kuria wirigirwo gutumire iharo inya nicio kiharo kia Nyayo, Kasarani, Kipchoge mwena Eldoret na Kinoru mwena wa Meru. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV njitagwo Simon Macharia wa Wangui.